guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheila, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. For today's video, I am going to be cash stuffing my spending for the second week of August, and then I am going to be also cash stuffing some challenges. So before we get started, usually what I was doing is kind of going over what I spent, and I only have like the total amount of what I spent because I added it up, and I did not do so well. So let's just go ahead and get started. So today is Thursday, and I'm so sorry if you hear construction going on. They are doing they're like replacing the roofing at a house nearby, and you might hear like some construction sound. But anyways, yeah, like I mentioned, I did not do so well last week. We are going to go over how much I spent into each category. I am going to go ahead and set out my cash. There are some categories that I am not going to be cash stuffing because either I already spent that money or I overspent last week, and so I am just not going to cash those categories. So let's go ahead and open my wallet, and I am back at my normal setup because no one is here today. Bryson had his first day of school, so he is not here. My oldest son is here, but he is still asleep. Today is his day off from work, so yeah, it seems like I'm by myself today. So let's go ahead and get started. So groceries is one category that I'm not going to be cash stuffing today because I have already used up my money. And I wanted to ask you guys, how are you guys doing with groceries? How much are you budgeting? How much are you spending? How many are you guys in total? So there is 4 of us, and I've been budgeting $200, and it seems like I have not been doing so well. I have been meal planning, I have been sticking to a list, but it's just that things are just so expensive and we run out of things so quickly, and it's really frustrating, and I don't want to up my budget. But last week I did spend $190, and I did have $10 left over, but I used that for this week because this week I did go over. I already have the total amount for this week. I did spend $220, so I went over budget by $10. So if you are wondering how where I get that money from like, you know, when I go over, so usually I use my credit card, or I keep a buffer in my debit card in case I use my debit card, but most of the time I do use a credit card, and then I pay it off each month. And I just have to pay whatever I go over. So groceries, I did spend $190, and then I used those 10s for this week, and then it was $220. Restaurant this week is not going to get anything because yesterday I spent what I was supposed to cash stuff today, and I did get a large pizza and then some wings, and it was like 18 and some change, and I only had $1 left over, and so I put that in here. And then I don't know why it's saying low battery when I just charged my battery. Oh my goodness, hopefully this doesn't cut off. Okay, restaurant is getting skipped over. Gas, I did have some money left over in gas. I had $5, $6, $7 in gas, so I had budgeted $40, and I did get $33 in gas. So we are going to be putting that aside for our savings challenges. Household, I also had money left over. I had $2 left over, and then I had, I think, $15, but then I went to Walmart and got some toilet paper, and so now I only had $2 left over. Personal care doesn't have anything because I spent it. Oh, let's go over household. So household, I spent $28. So and gas $33. Personal care, I did spend the $5. Personal spending, I'm not gonna cash stuff this because again I went over. I spent $62 with spending. Most of those things were gifts. So I was invited to a birthday party, and I just bought it with like personal spending money. And then what else did I buy? I bought a gift, and then I feel like I bought something else. But anyways, I did spend $62. Work, I think I got breakfast and then lunch or a croissant, I don't remember, but I spent $24. It was all on food because I did bring coffee to work, so it was all on food. And then Kodak, I did spend how much did I spend on Kodak? Kodak, I spent $21. So I had budgeted $20 for Kodak, and I ended up spending $21. So grocery skip, restaurant skip, gas is going to be getting $40. Oh, let's count the money. I always do this. I always forget to count the money. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 10, 20, 30, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Are you guys having that are you guys having that same issue where you guys are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are overspending or going over budget, or you just have like a hectic week where just things are not going right and you're just having to like overspend? Well, I feel like that was me this past week. So I'm going to be cash stuffing $191 today. So let's go ahead and cash stuff for our week. So gas is going to be getting $40 again. So I didn't work yesterday and today, and I have half of tank right now. So hopefully this will be enough. So Bryson had his 6th grade orientation, and it's a new school. So I had to take him because they were going to show him around and give him his locker information and schedule and all the good stuff, you know. So I was off yesterday, and then I'm off today. So household is going to be getting $30, and this includes $25 for household, and then $5 for any miscellaneous things that I need because I don't have a miscellaneous envelope. Personal care is going to be getting $5. I'm skipping because I went over last week and I don't plan on hopefully spending anything this week. Work is going to be getting $10. I should skip work too, but I'm not going to risk it because school is starting back again and I need to get myself on a schedule, like a good everyday schedule. Kodak is going to be getting $20 again, and last week I did get him food and snacks, so he has snacks this week. That's why he didn't have any money left over this week. So that is it for my cash stuffing for this week. Next is my savings challenge. So I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, $65 for my savings challenges. And I would rather have this money saved than keep as a buffer, because if I keep it as a buffer I might spend it as well. So I might as well just stuff it into my challenges. So in this envelope I do have $1,000 saved up already, and then I am going to be cash stuffing I think $20 in this, and this is my 52-week savings challenge. So I'm planning on doing $20. I really hope my camera does not shut off, because hopefully I can get this video done with. And I need a new pen because this one is not working. And if you are wondering why this pen has my name on there, it's because sometimes I take my pens to work and everyone knows to, like, if I lose it or something, they know it's mine and they'll return it, because I'm really picky about what pens I use. So this now has $100, $200, and $40. So if one week you see $100 bills and the next you see 50, it's probably because I needed change and I cash condense off camera sometimes. And so $10 savings challenge is going to be getting $10. And let me know if this angle is better. I think it's a little bit closer. I did kind of bring my camera down a little. Sorry guys, but my camera turned off because of the battery. So we are going to start where I left off. So I went ahead and colored a 10 because I did add $10, and then I went ahead and added the 10 on the back. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, $90 into our $10 savings challenge, and this is to save $300. Next is our $1 challenge, and I am going to be adding $5. So $1, $2, $3, $4, $5 into our $1 challenge, and we are almost done with this one. So with this $1 challenge, when I finish it, I am going to add it to my long-term savings. So I'm going to be adding or coloring 5. So 1, 2, 3, I think I'm moving the camera, 4, and 5. And today is the 8th, so 8. So I should have $26. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And I recently cut my nails so short that I couldn't, or I don't want to do my dip nails because I want them to get a little bit longer, and I cut them short because 2 of my nails broke off, and so I just cut them all short. But I love this cute little nail polish that I got at Dollar Tree. So anyways, next is my $5 savings challenge. So I am going to be adding $5. So I ended up laminating this one because I do plan on laminating, or I already laminated the rest of the challenges. I'm going to be using my favorite Sharpie to color that in. I want to let it dry. So we should have $15, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I don't know where my little black pen or little fine tip black Sharpie is. So I'm just going to leave that alone. Whew, thought I got my finger dirty. Alright, next is our $15 savings challenge, and I am going to be adding 15 to this one. So 5, 10, 15. Let's go ahead and color this in. And let's see how much we have now. So we have 50, 70, 90, 105. So $105. And then I do have $10 left over, and I think I'm going to be adding that to my $1,300 savings challenge. So let's go ahead and add these in here. I wasn't sure how much money I was gonna have, so probably gonna need another tracker, because so I should have $250 in this challenge. So I have 100, 200, 20, 40, 45, 50. And that is going to be it for this video. Let me know how you guys are doing with your challenges so far, or your sinking funds. I know that I recently have been changing a lot of things within my binders and categories and things like that. So let me know how you guys are doing. I can't believe we are in August already, and so excited that Bryson is back in school, and I'm just so happy how things worked out with his schedule and my work schedule. And so yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, commenting. All of that really helps my channel, so I really appreciate that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are new, because I'm also doing a 500 subscriber giveaway soon. And so yeah, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.